classes at USI, I was able to work with animals in lots of ways. I started with basic dissections in the introductory classes, moved on to live animal experiments, and more detailed investigations in later classes. One of the best things about the work that I did in biology was the connection between laboratory and field work. In my time as a student, I had the chance to work with animals that were captured in the field and then later brought into the lab. I even got to work with the engineering department to use cutting-edge technology such as a micro CT scanner. This technology allowed me to make detailed three-dimensional images of both the inside and outside of my study organism at extremely small scales. It's just like a medical CAT scan, but for very small animals. Using this technique, we were able to build a detailed model of the musculature from the thorax of a local butterfly species so that we could study the basis of some unusual behaviors and test ecological and evolutionary hypotheses about these creatures. All of this was available to me as part of my undergraduate experience at USI, working with professors and other students in the biology department.